for. East Central Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma. Southeastern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma.
What?
Until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:41
Tulsa?
Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm.
No, it's a warning. Like there's a potential tornado. There's a lowering. I was watching it.
Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar indicated threat rotation.
It's not for us, but I think it's Creek. Creek County, Oklahoma.
Without shelter.
This is going up. This is going on Facebook. Tornado warning. Tornado. What?
Is likely. Locations in our nearby path include Tulsa, Broken Arrow,
Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Bixby,
Glenpool, Kiefer,
Glenpool.
Mounds. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Keep your outdoors.
There's a possible tornado.
Vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Dude.